to remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of the street lamp. I turned my collar till it cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, slipped at night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 1,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence.